So it's snowing and my daughter's car wouldn't go. So I took like 50 of these and drilled them right into the back tires. All right, Maya, go. Fucking thing cruises now. She can climb the hills, everything. That thing is nuts. All right, now we got to make sure the tractor works before we get too much snow. All right. Give her a moment to heat up because she's an old diesel. Gotta wait for them glow plugs. Alright, now it's really starting to come down. Had to go put on an ice jacket. Look at this shit. I don't mind it though, I love winter.